What are the biggest winter orchid mistakes to avoid now? Hi everyone! As we dive into winter, our orchids face a new set of challenges that can be quite different from the warmer months. The drop in temperature and humidity can really stress them out. And if we are not careful, we might end up with unhappy or worse, dead plants. That's why it's super crucial to get it right during this time. When it comes to winter care, there are a few critical mistakes to avoid. Overwatering is one of the most common errors. With the cooler temperatures, orchids require less water because too much moisture can lead to root rot. Poor lighting conditions are another mistake to watch out for. Make sure your orchids are getting enough light and consider using grow lights if necessary. Not providing the right air circulation is another mistake that can lead to fungal diseases. So make sure your orchids have enough space between them so that air can circulate freely. Neglecting to check for pests is also a big no-no. A quick inspection every week can save your orchids from a lot of trouble. Failing to fertilize your orchids during the winter months is also a mistake. While they don't need as much food, a balanced, water-soluble orchid fertilizer can provide them with the nutrients they need to stay healthy. One of the most common mistakes that can lead to serious health issues is failing to repot your orchids when needed. This can cause the potting media to break down, leading to root rot and other problems. A crucial tip to prevent this is to inspect your orchids' roots. If they're circling or growing out of the pot, it's time for a repot. To recap, avoiding the biggest winter orchid mistakes requires attention to temperature, humidity, light, watering, and pest control. By being mindful of these factors, you can help your orchids thrive even in the coldest months. Thanks for watching JouleShare Garden Tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with fellow plant lover. Stay warm, stay green, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless!